It has been quite a start to our Monday with showers and thunderstorms, hail, heavy rain, loads of lightning. But the worst of the line of storms is east now of the Denver area. Still a severe thunderstorm watch over southeastern Colorado and quite a few flash flood warnings out here. The soil's very saturated. Many of these storms have dropped 1 to 2 inches of rain in an hour, and that has just led to local flooding conditions. Back here in the metro area, much lighter conditions now after that really strong hailstorm that went through Boulder around 1:30 this afternoon. But we will still have some showers that will be moving our way into the evening hours. So the storms will be diminishing, but it'll stay cool and wet tonight and Tuesday. Warmer later this week, but still a chance for pretty much daily storms because there's so much moisture in the soil. You can see a little bit of clearing off to the west right now, so that bodes well for folks coming downtown for the Nuggets game tonight. 65 has been the high, 52 the low, 97's the record, 82 is the average, and 1/4 of an inch of rain today at DIA. That pushes our monthly total up to 2.17. We're at 10.5 inches of rain for the year, and most of that has fallen in the last 5 weeks. As far as current conditions, under mostly cloudy skies, 56, 55 at the airport. Pressure's rising, 80% relative humidity. So there's a weather front moving through. We're getting the showers and storms. We're in the cooler air mass, and that's going to stick around for tonight and tomorrow. Matter of fact, even by early morning, it'll be kind of rainy and cool out across the northeast part of the state. Morning lows are going to be in the 40s to low 50s at lower elevations, mid 50s out west in the Grand Valley. We'll see mid 40s down to the southwest at Cortez and down to 31 at Leadville. So here is the map early in the day, and it'll be kind of rainy and cool above or across the northeast, and a little bit of snow above 12,000 feet. By the time we get to midday, still a little bit of rain and a few storms embedded. And by the time we get to the end of the day, the showers diminishing as the storm system starts to move out. But still could get some pretty decent rain over the next 24 hours on top of what has already fallen. So it's a soggy saga for sure. Temperatures just in the 60s and upper 50s tomorrow at lower elevations. A lot of 40s in the mountains just to the west of Denver. Now moving ahead, that low is going to move out of here, but there's so much moisture in the soil that even with that, there'll be some scattered storms around pretty much each day. But heading into the Father's Day weekend, there is a trend toward warmer and drier conditions coming up. Not completely warm and dry, but warmer and drier. Rainy and cool tomorrow with 63. Then it's in the 70s Wednesday, Thursday, Friday with a few storms. Looking ahead to Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, low to mid 80s. We'll call it warmer and drier. There'll still be a few scattered afternoon showers and thunderstorms.